How's it going? We're back in the garage with another project on the 2018 Road Glide. I'm a short guy. I'm only 5'5". I have a 1-inch lowering block on this already. I just got in a 2-inch lowering block. 1 inch is fine, but I'd like just a little bit more. So we're gonna try the 2-inch out and see how that feels. So this is the kit I ordered off Amazon. I'll link it in the description below. Comes with bolts, nuts, and the little brackets. And this one actually does come with instructions. The other one didn't, but it's kind of self-explanatory. So here you can see the 1-inch lowering block. Don't mind my cables for the LEDs, but it just takes, this bolt is usually here, so it just takes it, moves it back on the 1-inch block, and it's going to be the same thing with this 2-inch block. It's just going to move it back and down. So I'll show you that at the end. Alright, so I have the old block off. That was there. Shock's just hanging right now on both sides. Now we're going to go ahead and put the new blocks on with the new bolts, and they will set in there like this, and then the shock will attach back here, dropping it 2 inches. Alright, so the bracket piece is on. As you can see, shock doesn't quite reach it, so we're gonna have to start letting down on the jack until we can get it in the hole, and it should bolt straight up. Alright, bolts in here, shocks back in, and then it gets a nut on the back side that has the little nylon in there, but we're going to put Loctite on it just in case. Same thing over here. Bolts are in, ready to go. Got to put the Loctite in. We should be able to lower it down after that. Alright, we're all done. It is, of course, lower. Dropped it another inch. Anytime that you're going to lower the bike, though, just remember it's going to be a stiffer ride. So right now it's pretty stiff. I wouldn't suggest lowering blocks if you don't have to use them, but it's $50 compared to $2,000 for air ride, so lot cheaper. Alright, so again, it's a 2-inch lowering block. I'm 5'5", so I got plenty of room. The 1-inch was fine. I felt like I had a good enough stance, but when backing up, stuff like that, sometimes you have to back up. I try to avoid it with this bike, but sometimes you have to, so I'm hoping this extra inch helps out a little bit. But again, if you don't have to lower it this way, I wouldn't recommend it. That's all I have for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.